Today we're getting out of the office and heading down to a small town called Yamba in New South Wales. We're heading down to see a small business called CNC Marine. We started working with them about a year ago when they purchased a couple of our 3700 car topper kits. They put them together very quickly and have been posting about them, and then they did a 6100 center console, which they named 5 weeks, because in their spare time, after hours, after their day jobs and doing their other work, it took them 5 weeks to build the thing. And they've now moved on to building a couple of 6100 walkarounds. We've just delivered a 6100 hard top to them. So they've got a lot going on. They're relatively new to the marine business, but I think they're now booked out till September. So they've obviously got a high quality of work. They're really good guys to just talk to and easy to deal with. So we're gonna go take some video equipment down, get some shots of their business, get some shots of the water, the boats on the water, and just have a bit of fun with them, and see what they have to say and see how they've liked their experience over the last year working with CNC Marine and our designs and our kits, and see where their business is going to take them in the future.